Is it good? Oh, are you going to eat some meat? Here, let mommy put a little piece on your spoon. Oh, no, okay. I'm so sorry. How dare I? There's Zilly. Oh, goodness, you dropped some. Ooh, that was a big bite. Is it good? Here's Zilly. Is it good? Oh. No, we don't spit while we're eating. You're doing good with your spoon. Yeah, put your spoon in here. Get some more applesauce. Whoa. That was a big bite, buddy. Was it good? No, I'll hold it. Need it closer? I'll hold it. No, I'll hold it for you. No, no, no. Okay, you're gonna hold it? All right. Say hi, Granny. Say hi. 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 Say I love you. I miss you. Are you gonna give her a kiss? Oh, good job. Good job. What are you doing now? Eat it. Steven. Steven.
Hey, buddy, eat your ice cream.
No, you don't want to eat it?
It's cold in there. Ew.
Cold? Brr.
Don't drop your ice cream. You want to eat some? No. Eat it. Yeah, eat it.
What are you doing? Don't throw your cup, no. Go say hi to Daddy. He's not on the phone. He's just going to see this video. Can you wave to Dada? Yeah, hi, Dada. I miss you today. No, okay, leave the water alone. Say hi to Dada. Hi, Dada. Can you say Dada? Dada? Hi, Dada. We miss you. Oh, you blow him a kiss. That's sweet. Say, see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, you're blowing him kisses. Wave bye-bye. Whee! Oh, no hands? Whoa. Whee! Yep. 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 Nope. Okay, that was a fake laugh. Are you over it now? You're just fascinated by that, aren't you? Yeah. Now sit down, Steven. Sit down. What are you doing? Huh? That's not Daddy. Yeah? Is that a truck like Daddy's? That wasn't Dada, honey. He's still at work. Yeah, Daddy's at work. No, that's not Dada. That looks just like his truck, doesn't it? That wasn't Daddy, honey. No, Dada's at work. Yeah. He wouldn't just drive right by you. No. Good girl. Okay, why don't we get back from here? Okay, let's go keep walking. Come on. Let's keep walking. You wanna look at this? What's down there? What do you see? Huh? You wanna keep walking? Huh? No. Come back this way. You don't need to go under there. Let's keep walking. You wanna keep walking? Huh? Do you wanna keep walking? What do you see? I don't know. What do you see? No, it's not Daddy. Why don't you?
Wow. Got a card? Oh, you got a box to play in. Whoa. Ooh, yeah. Oh, plastic, yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, is that fun?
There. Got a stick on your feet, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, one.
Huh? Huh?
Come on.
Huh?
Come on. Go.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, go. There you go. No too much. Come on. Ah. Feet first. There you go. Boom. Go. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo!
Woo! Perfect.
Okay, put your arms out.
Come here. Sit with mommy. Come here. Come here. Okay, let's catch you.
Choose bird.
Okay, put your arms out. Oh, we missed it. Go get it. Go get it. You're not gonna get it? No?
Throw it. Good boy. Go
Come
see
here.
mama.
Let's catch it.
Go see mama.
Come here.
You want me to catch it with you? Your mom will throw it to you with catch.
Ready?
Oh.
Oh, so close. Go get it.
Go get it.
Where did it go? Where did it go? Is there another one? I don't know. Okay, well, not a great inside ball. Yeah. Where's another football?
It's music
Look,
time.
let's do this one. Okay, come here. Where's Daddy? Okay, big throw to Daddy. Steven, big throw to Daddy. Ready? Look. Hold it. Okay, ready? Woo!
Let's make
Okay, ready to catch? Let's catch. Okay, we're gonna catch it. Yay! We did it. Okay, big throw. Yep. Oh. Hold on, we're gonna catch it. Let's catch it. What? Want some water? Okay, we gotta put your cup down. Okay, put your arms out. Catch. Oh! Here, throw it. You throw it? You throw with your right hand. There you go. You ready? Woo! Oh, we almost got it up to it. Okay, we're gonna catch it. Ready? Catch! Oh! Hey, good throw. There, put your hands up. Now get the other ball. You found it. Who were you throwing that to? Come get this one. Throw it to Daddy. You can get that one. Or that one. Or that one. Okay, big throw to Daddy. Steven, big throw to Daddy. Ready? Look. Hold it. Okay, ready? Woo! Okay, you ready to catch? Let's catch. Okay, we're gonna catch it. Yay! We did it. Okay, big throw. Yep. Oh. Hold on, we're gonna catch it. Let's catch it. What? Want some water? Okay, we gotta put your cup down. Okay, put your arms out. Catch. Oh! Here, throw it. You throw it. You throw with your right hand. There you go. You ready? Woo! Oh, we almost got it up to it. Okay, we're gonna catch it. Ready? Catch! Oh! Hey, good throw. There, put your hands up. Okay, say hi. Say hi, Granny. Thank you for your video. Say hi. Can you blow her a kiss? Mwah. You want to give her a kiss? Can you blow one? Mwah. There you go. Mwah. Can you wave? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. What was that? Can you say mama? Mama. Where's mama? Steven, where's mama? Where's mama? Right here. Okay, say bye-bye to Granny. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is that funny? Take it back to Daddy. He'll show you. Oh boy.
You're gonna hurt yourself like that.
No, don't do that. Go take it to Daddy. He'll help you. Daddy'll show you. Yeah, it goes in my hair. Go take it to Daddy. Here. No, that's the phone. Go shoot it with Daddy.
It's like that.
You want a piece of turkey? You say thank you, Mama? Say thank you, Mama. No, that doesn't go in there. You're not going to say thank you to Mama? No, that's deodorant. It doesn't go in there. You going to put it in there for me? Oh, you can't reach. Steven, can you say thank you, Mama? Thank you, Mama. You want more turkey? Okay. Okay. Say thank you, Mama. Oh, you're being a sneaky. Little bubbles. Ooh, does that feel good? Like pouring it on yourself? Little bubbles? That was good. It's pretty heavy, isn't it? Yeah? Don't drink it. Just blow bubbles. Yeah. Yeah? What did you do? Put it back down. You're going to lose your water. Good job. Whoa, that was a lot of bubbles. Whoa. Ready to wash your hair? You want to pour the water on your hair? You can pour it on your hair. No, don't pour it out here. No. Keep it in the bathtub. Pour it on your head. Oh, there you go. Woo!
Try them all, buddy. Don't put you against your eye. Yeah, with your nose. Oh! What are you doing? Don't push your eyes. No, 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 no. Silly.
Oh, he just put his finger in his mouth.
See, Mama's just eating my boogers.
Yuck. 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 Is that your eye? Eye? Are you copying Daddy? Are you copying Daddy?
Oh, you want me to go? Want me to go? Yeah, he's a little too big to go. What are you doing? Lisa. 2, 3, go! Go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey, go get him! Oh my goodness, get him!
Put in the basket.
Yeah, good boy. Look at them all. I don't care. Where you help? You carry that. Yeah. Let's pick up there.
Put in the basket.
Yeah, bring there. Right there, Steve. All right.
You want to carry your basket?
Gives me that sign.
I got a servant for that.
He's good at this.
Yeah, and wherever one you want. Get them all. What's it got in there? Yeah, it's got something in there. All right. Get you
Go get more.
a new pacifier.
Nope, that one's empty. Yeah, there's a bunch. Go down the steps.
This way. This way.
Gotta go before you get wet, buddy.
Right here, Steve.
Go get all those.
Well, actually, that straight there is really west.
Oh, oh, oh.
I guess
There
that.
you go.
Yeah.
Come on down here.
Watch the step. We get so turned around at our house. Like, it is so confusing for us.
Bob, that's an egg. Egg. Egg.
Pick them all up. Put them in your basket. Give him Uncle Aaron. He's got your basket.
Being a good caddy, Aaron.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it. Anyone?
Where's the rest of them?
I'm not gonna show you.
Where you going?
Steven, look at all the eggs over here, buddy. Look at all these eggs. Pick them all up.
Want me help?
Yeah. A little overkill on the eggs.
That one got something? Oh, yeah.
Oh, you went this way?
Good one.
Come here, let's get
Oh,
this way.
look at that. Might want to prioritize and just grab the one under the tree first and get the heck out of there. Yeah.
Oh.
What's in there? That one had goodies in it. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get some more eggs. It's gonna start raining. Huh? Oh, and there's ants all over this tree. Probably all over that egg. Hey, keep getting eggs, buddy. Let's get this egg. Whoops. Is that raining?
okay?
Here, you hold this?
You hold the basket.
Basket. There you go.
Hey, can Mommy take your picture? Hey, can you stay right here? Oh. Hold it, show it, Mama. Look at Mama.
Oh, it's a big old pink egg.
Oh boy, what's in there? That egg is from Roslyn. Yeah, she bought you 3D rainbow bubbles.
Fun.
And a camera phone. Can you hold this for Mommy? Can you hold your basket? Can you hold your basket? Can you look at Mommy? Steven, can you look at Mommy?
Steven, where's Mama?
Where's Mama?
Oh, what's that?
Where you going?
Where the stars go. Good job. Good job. Yeah, same place. Yeah. Where's the square go? Oh, you had it. Put it in there. Yay. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Oh.
Good job. I'm gonna kick it back. Ready? Go over there and kick it to Mommy. Yeah. Oh, you gonna throw it to me? Woo! Steven, where's Mommy?
Mama,
Yeah.
Baba,
Yeah, Papa G and Granny are coming, aren't they?
Baba,
Yeah. Where's Mama?
Mama.
Yeah. I love you.
Mm-hmm.
You're giving me a hug. Hi.
Bah!
Mwah. You blowing kisses to Barney?
Huh?
Give him a hug. Give Barney a hug. Hug.
Ah!
Yeah. Blow him a kiss.
Bah!
Oh, that's sweet. Say bye-bye, Barney. See you tomorrow. Yeah, say bye-bye, Barney. See you later.
Because it makes me feel happy when I talk to them. Bye, Barney. I'll see you later. Bye. See you soon now. Bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dada!
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Who are you calling on your phone, Steven? Who's on the phone? Steven, who's on your phone? Who are you talking to in here? Who are you talking to? What did he say? You hung up on him. Oh. What is he saying?
Gaga.
What did he say? Huh? You had a messy dinner, mister. Your shirt is all messy from dinner. Yeah, you got messy. You even got it on your shorts, huh? It's okay. You ready to go take a bath? You ready to go take a bath? Oh boy. Let's go. You gonna call somebody? You gonna tell Daddy you're taking a bath? Call Daddy, tell him you're gonna go take a bath. Call Daddy on the phone. Yeah. Call him on the phone, say, Daddy, I'm going to take a bath. Yeah. Uh-huh. Can you call him? What did he say? Did he say, okay, Steven, go take a bath. I'll be home in a minute. Is that what he said? Okay, we better go take a bath, huh? Can you go put the phone in the basket? Can you go put the phone in the basket? You did a good job helping Mommy clean the living room, didn't you? Good job. Thank you. What are you doing? Go give him a hug.
Daddy, get up.
Go give Daddy a hug.
Hello there, buddy. Now we're doing it so good just doing it again. Push.
You silly boy, that's not how you do it. You have to push. Push.
Go back to Daddy. Turn around and go back to Daddy. Turn around. Good job. Okay, now put your foot on it. Now push your other foot.
Yeah, go like this.
Push your foot.
Just one foot.
You're silly.
You're funny. Come on, this way.
Go to Papa G. Go to Papa G.
Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
Stand up.
Put your foot on it.
You good feet. You good feet.
Yeah, put that one on there. Okay, now hit it with your bat. Yeah, hit it with the bat. Uh-huh, with that. Oh, that's not how you hold it. You know how to hold it right. Okay, go put the ball back on there. Uh-oh. What are you doing? All right, now get your ball on there. You gotta put your ball. First you gotta get the ball on there. Then you gotta get your bat. There you go, now get the bat. Good job. Okay, hit it real good. Oh, good job. Go put your ball back. Yeah, put that one on there. Good job. Man, you're a good hitter. Yeah, good job. That was a good practice swing. I know you got to put your ball back on there. Go get your ball. Steven, where's the ball? Steven, where are the balls? Where are they? Do you see them? Do you see them? I see one. I think we're looking at the same one. Are you gonna pick it up? Huh? Oh! You knocked it over.
Okay.
All right, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Yo, thank you. Good day. Piece of grass. We need to get our lawn mowed. Here, go ride the big slide now. Yeah, go ride the big slide. I'll push you up there. Hurry up a little bit. All right, go ride the big slide.
Go up there.
Follow the ropes. Wait, don't play with the ropes. Hello. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
Good job.
You can go again. It's about time to take a bath. It's night-night. You can go again, kiddo.
You can go again if you want.
Go again.
You want to go again?
You want to swing?
Okay. Say hi, Annie. Hi. Can you wave hi? Good job. We just watched your video. We went to the movies.
Huh?
Are you showing her your hat?
Huh?
Yeah. Where's your hat?
Huh?
Yeah, you got a hat on already this morning, huh? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Your mouth? Where's your eyes? Eyes? Good job. Where's your belly? Ah! Okay, you ready to have a good day? So have a good day, Granny. It's Friday. Woohoo! You want to tell her something? Do you want to tell her something? Say something. Can you say Granny? You say Granny? We're making a video of Granny. Because she sent you one yesterday. Yeah, she went to the movies. Yeah. What do you think?
Baba.
Yeah.
Baba.
Yeah?
Baba. Hey, hey.
Oh, you need shoes? Not yet.
Hey.
Okay, Granny, bye. Can you blow us?
Ba.
Oh, that was sweet. Okay, say bye-bye. Have a good day. Can you wave bye-bye? Okay, bye-bye. We love you.